Okay.
Hey,
Hello.
we're gonna do the cinnamon sugar challenge because we don't have sugar or we don't have cinnamon. So yeah, it's strong. We have to do a whole thing of this here.
Okay.
There.
Oh, we're doing it at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like whoever gets it fastest.
Okay.
Okay.
3. Put it in the sink. Okay.
Wait. Can it see me?
How should I know? I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh my god.
Still here. That failed.
I did it.
I want to spit out half of mine.
Dude, no. You wouldn't be able to survive the actual cinnamon challenge.